Hey everyone, welcome to Big Fuzz, and today we are going to talk about that how Indian celebs are obsessed with Botox and fillers. So this all started with the Kardashian family, in which they had done many procedures like lip fillers, Botox, removal of ribs to look slimmer and whatnot. Not only they had just done all these procedures, but also they influenced other people to do this and fit in the high beauty standards with the help of these surgeries. And in the past few years, this trend has also been followed in India as well. Especially in the Bollywood industry, many actresses like Moni Roy, Janhvi Kapoor, Katrina Kaif, Urfi Javed and many other actresses had done procedures on them. और ऐसा नहीं है कि it is totally wrong. If you feel insecure about your appearance, then you can obviously do procedures to correct them and feel confident. But in India, young celebs like Khushi Kapoor, Janhvi Kapoor, and Shania Kapoor had done several procedures in such a young age. And the problematic thing with these procedures is that when you put such substance inside your face, then you are not able to give normal expressions and the face feels like frozen. और इन एक्टर्स को तो एक्टिंग भी करनी होती है, लेकिन विदाउट फेस एक्सप्रेशंस ये लोग एक्टिंग कैसे करेंगे? Also, everyone wants to be perfect, not realizing they are naturally perfect. Many girls in India are getting influence from the Botox culture and are going to unqualified doctors and surgeons for doing procedure which is totally unsafe. There were many cases in which the girl's face had been totally ruined by such doctors and surgeons and they have to eventually dissolve it. In an interview, Urfi also talked about this problem that how a doctor injected substance on her lips and she had to dissolve it because it was totally ruined. Here is the video.
तो दे पुट अ डिसॉल्वर एंड डिसॉल्व इट
ये आप खुद
दैट
पढ़ाई करके ये सब करवा रही थी?
नहीं मैं
डॉक्टर
अपना
से समझ
नहीं
ली?
मैंने मार खा के करवाई है ना. वन डॉक्टर शी रूइंड माय लिप्स.
व्हाट?
आई शी मेड मी लाइक यहाँ से उसने इतना डाल दिया, एक लंप यहाँ, दो लंप यहाँ, तीन लंप, तो मेरे लिप्स ऊपर नीचे हो गए थे. एंड देन आई डिडंट इवन नो डिसॉल्वर नाम की कोई चीज़ होती. फिर मैं किसी बड़े डॉक्टर के पास गई. एक साल तक मैं ऐसे ही अपने वो गंदे
Recently, it is also seen in case of Moni Roy. She was at the promotions of her upcoming movie and there a strange two lines were seen on her forehead because of Botox. Here is the video.
तो मैम पिक्चर देख के मालूम पड़ेगा बहुत शिद्दत से बनाई है लेकिन जैसा सर ने बोला चैप्टर 1 वर्जन
It's been a roller coaster ride and बहुत कुछ
We can see that how these procedures can ruin someone's face and also these procedures require a lot of money and the side effect rate is also very high. So I suggest all the people out there that आप जैसे भी हो, it's fine, you are beautiful. आपको ऐसी procedures करवाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि it requires a lot of time and money और सिर्फ यही नहीं, it can ruin your face for life and also it can release toxin substances in your body and you don't need to fit in the fake beauty standards and lost yourself fully. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share.